Hello everyone, in this video we reviewing blockchain games empire. Okay, blockchain games empire. What is this blockchain games empire? This is to discover the secret on how to make money trading blockchain games items or simply playing video games. Blockchain games empire. Blockchain games empire is a PDF guide that shows your customers how to make money from the newest NFT games, where they can trade items and characters for cash, or where they can play levels and win cryptocurrencies. Okay, so in every step the process with the screenshot showing different games, all the strategies and incredible amount of tips and tricks. Okay. Discover how to earn money with the video games without playing and without being an expert. All you have to do in buying and reselling the items, I tell you, with no stress. Here's some video you can watch later. 100% newbie friendly method, no traffic needed at all, no paid software needed, works anywhere in the world. You can get started in minutes. There is no trouble about competition. It's 100% new and set and forget. Only a few easy steps to follow. I found an easy way to get paid through online video games collectibility items. $1.2 billion in exchanges between players. Another game. 930 million for a piece of land in the game. 9,30,000 dollars. Sorry, it is a crazy how much you can make by buying creature or an object and keeping it for a couple of days or a weeks, depending on how much you want to make. Hello and welcome. There is a new way to move playing video games where you don't play them at all. Instead of just collecting characters, objects, and items that you can resell in a few months or for 10, 100 or even 1000 items the original price. Yes, that's crazy. I'm talking about blockchain games, the new way to intended video games. You visit a website, connect to your wallet, and you are ready to purchase and resell anything in the game. And with the help of blockchain, everything is kept on track and under control, so you are also protected. It's newbie friendly. You can do this from all over the world, and you can do this in 10 by 20 minutes per week. At the moment I am writing this letter, millions of people are taking advantage of blockchain games, and the more people there are, the better for you. You can purchase those items during a drop, paying them low and immediately resell them when the drop is closed. Those items are limited in numbers. Trading blockchain games item is so easy. 1. Decide which game is better for you. Number 2. Buy a creature or a game object. Number 3. Resell it for more. Are you ready to discover my secret to trade those video games collectibles to win? On every trade you make, you should give a guide telling you which are the top games worth your attention between hundreds of low quality titles and which are the most requested items. And that's what I will do inside this step by step guide with many screenshots to help you become a master of blockchain games trading. During the hard time of COVID-19, people spent countless more hours at a computer, and that's why those games become famous so fast. It's there are profits to make. Everyone will jump on the train. So there's still a lot of time to jump in, considering only 1% of the worldwide population uses cryptocurrencies. So inside this course, I will give you the keys to comprehending how those games work and profit with them on every trade you make. Selling video game character and items is highly remunerative as a result. Kids and young people are making a fortune and creating wealth for their entire lifetime without any hard work. NFT games. Imagine knowing about a video games before it becomes famous and grabbing the best characters and items before the game becomes a trend. Then you can really put thousands and thousands of dollars in your pockets. Inside this guide, I will give you the best titles that are hot how and a couple of games that are still under development where you can jump in and immediately build your fortune every day. It can become your full-time job or just a pastime to make some thousands of bucks monthly. It depends on you on and the time you have at your disposal. You can make this work at your speed with no headaches at all. You can make a second income, put the money away to pay for your passion, or help your kids go to the best university in the future. That money is yours, can be converted immediately into dollars, euros, or products, just to name a few. Blockchain games work like eBay. You buy something, you wait until it's sold out, and then you resell it for big profits. It's crazy what you want have to do, and what this is not. You won't need to learn how to play video game. It is just buying and selling items with different level of rarity. There are no long video to study, only straight to the point ebook with screenshot. You won't need to pay freelancers to do this job. You can do it in 10 or 20 minutes per week. It's not a project stealing you hours from your day, as it is the perfect side business you can run when you have time. You don't need to send traffic to your character or items for sale. They are available in the marketplace for anyone searching. You don't need to convince the customer. They know what they want, so they search and buy your product in real time. You don't have to work hard to get result, and you can start with little expense to collect the first game creatures and items. Here is what you can have access to with courses. Discover how to find interesting blockchain games before they launch. Uncover the best and most accessible game that is hot right now. Learn about the best blockchain video games ever created. The best combination game between blockchain gaming and cryptocurrency projects. For additional games to keep under control for easy profits. How to consistently make money from a game and don't enter it when it's too late. How to sell the creatures and items you bought, all the insider tip and tricks, and much more. But wait, there is a more. Discover my exclusive bonuses, blockchain secrets. Exclusive bonus, blockchain secret with MRR rights. Discover all the secrets behind the blockchain technology. The same technology used for cryptocurrencies now used by NFTs and soon by many other fields. Know why it's so incredible, the advantages and disadvantages of using it, and much more. Exclusive ones are the secret video. This video will present you with the hottest 2022 blockchain video game and why they are so relevant. So you can jump on all those or ones you prefer and get low price items to resell for more. That information is highly quality and reserved for you. Inside this course, I will present you with 3 games and 4 secret ones within the launch basis. You will discover 7 games in total with all the how to's, the step-by-step process for buying items and reselling them, or simply how to play to win big prizes. There is not only buying and selling inside this guide. There is a game where you can play prints and receive crypto coins prizes as soon as you complete one of infinite computer generated dungeons. Blockchains is the future of gaming. Big names like Electronic Arts, EA, and Ubisoft are already integrating NFTs and blockchain technology inside their video games. The future is bright for games based on blockchain. Thanks to blockchain games empire, you can learn how to profit from games based on NFTs in a passive way. Once you get the basics of this business. No one can stop you. Games are real. Blockchain games are real. Discover how you can make huge sales through those video games. There's no better moment to jump in that way. Click the buy button now. Enter the immediately just $17. Okay, buy the product before price get increases, and DM me for amazing bonuses. Okay, so okay, this product link in description. Thanks for watching.